How to use Bybit tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can get started with Bybit. So let's get into it. Now, what is Bybit and how can you get started? Bybit is an online crypto marketplace or exchange where you can trade and invest in cryptocurrencies. Not only that, the speciality of Bybit is that they also have copy trading features. So you can take a look at some of the top traders or top investors and copy their trades or make trades like them. You can see their overall earnings, the return on investments that they are getting for a specific time period as well. Now, next up, if you go onto bybit.com, you can see it's a very simple platform and they have zero fees on all spot trading pairs, as well as simple crypto purchase options, the simple crypto market, and different trading options and trading bots as well. Plus, you can also do futures trading on Bybit, and the registration is very simple. And recently, Bybit has also announced their Bybit NFT trading platform, so you can explore NFTs from different content creators, and instead of just looking at NFTs on OpenSea, you can view NFTs that are available on Bybit and choose to purchase directly on Bybit. So to get started with Bybit, all you have to do is click on bybit.com and go to sign up on the top right over here. Once you click on sign up, you just have to enter your email address and a password. I already have created my account, so I'm just going to go on ahead and click on login over here. Now, once you have created your account or you have actually registered and created your account, you're going to be led back to the home page. And from here on the top right, you will see your account, you will see your orders, and you will see your assets. So the assets are basically your crypto wallet on Bybit, where you can see the overall asset overview and the spot and derivatives, funding, futures, earning, or trading bot assets as well. Because your spot wallet or your futures wallet is going to be separated from your basic wallet. Now, to get started with purchasing cryptocurrency, all you have to do is click on buy crypto, and Bybit has multiple different options to buy crypto. First off, you can spend a one-click buy and you can use a bank transfer or any other mobile transaction method as well to purchase crypto directly. Second up, you have P2P trading, where you can trade with another person for USDT or fiat, and then you also have fiat deposit. So you can also purchase fiat and then choose that fiat to trade for a crypto token simply by a bank transfer or any other mobile device trade. Now you also have crypto deposits, where you can deposit crypto from your crypto wallet. You simply have any type of change that you select. So let's say I have money in my MetaMask account. For that, I will choose the coin to deposit, which would be Ethereum. And then I'm just going to go on ahead and take this address and copy this address, and then I will do the transfer from my Ethereum wallet into my Bybit account. So that is how simple and easy it is to get crypto into your Bybit account. Now, after you have purchased crypto, how can you get started with trading on their platform? Now, moving forward, if we go into the market section, from here we can begin trading. So you can see if you go into your market section, first off, it is the market overview, and then you can click on market data to start getting more data on the market. But once you have a basic understanding of the market, you can simply head on over to the trading section, and from here you can choose what kind of trading you want to do. So first off, you have spot trading, then you have margin trading, leverage tokens, smart trading, launchpad, and buy mode. So spot trading is one of the most popular forms of trading, and the best part about spot trading on Bybit is that they have so many different bots that you can automate for your spot trades. And with spot trades, you are going to be able to easily manage your funds and you can make profits in a day-to-day trade. Now you can see over here, you have Bitcoin selected over here. You can hover your mouse on the top left and select any crypto token of your choice with any kind of pairing. And then on the left side of your screen, you have the overall crypto graph. Let's say I want to view the graph for the past day, like so. And then you can see on the right side of your screen, you have your buying option, your selling option, and you also have take profit and stop loss options, where you can automate those as well. So what this helps you do is that this will enable you to take profits at a certain price and stop any losses, just so you can save money and you're not going to lose money. So let's say I want to do this with Ethereum, so I will just select Ethereum over here. And once I select Ethereum, I can go on ahead, put in the trigger price that I want to take my profits on. Let's say the current price is 1338, and I want to take profits as soon as the price of Ethereum hits 1500. So I can enter that as the trigger price, and then I will add the quantity of Ethereum that I want to sell off when that specific price is reached. Now, other than this, if you click on Trading Bot on the top right over here, you can go on ahead and create a spot grid bot or a DCA bot and automate your trade. So if you click on Create Now on the spot trading bot, now from here you can autofill as well. So you can go on ahead and put in the specific price range, or you can enter your own price range, or you can enter the number of grids, and you will also choose the interval of grids. Below that, you also have your total investment. So you're going to enter however much money you want to put in this specific bot, and the bot will continue this trade over and over again. So what the bot basically does is that you will enter the price range, and what it will do is whenever the dip happens, that it will purchase the token, and then whenever the price rises to the top level of your grid, it will resell the token. And this will actually help you in lowering your average purchasing cost, because it will be buying at multiple different grid points instead of just purchasing all of the assets at one specific grid point. And depending on the number of grids you have, the more grids you have, the more variable your spot purchasing or average purchasing price will be. Now, moving on to futures trading. If you want to do futures trading, you can simply go on to the derivatives section, and you can go on to the USDT perpetual to begin futures trading. Now, futures trading has a lot more risk than spot trading or basic trading, and you can introduce a lot more leverage. You can see on the right side of your screen, you have 10%, 25%, 50%. Now, this means leverage. Now, with leverage, what it basically means, if I put in 10% and I am trading for $10,000, 10% of $10,000 would be $100,000, because I am leveraging 10 times the amount of money that I actually have. And for this, you actually have to put in some collateral money, and it has the risk of being liquidated. So that is another thing that you might want to keep in mind whenever you are starting with futures trading. Now, if we go on to the earn section of Bybit, they also have multiple different earning options, such as liquidity mining, Bybit savings, and dual assets. So if you go into your Bybit earnings section, so if you go into Bybit savings, you can simply stake your money. And staking basically is holding your crypto tokens in a specific token for a certain amount of time. And once the time period has passed, you will get a interest as well. It's kind of like holding your money in a bank. So as the bank gives you interest, these crypto marketplaces also give you interest, and you can stake your money and you get, interest or returns. So if you want to earn money in a safer way, then the staking method is going to be a lot safer. However, if you stake your money for a long period of time, the crypto token can actually depreciate in value, and if the interest value is lower than the depreciation value, it would mean that you are getting a net loss. So that is why long-term investments in staking are not recommended, and it will usually be not as valuable even if the interest rate is super high. Because of the depreciation of the crypto token, you might not be able to get as much in return. Now, moving on ahead, you also have dual assets that you can stake, and you can choose multiple asset tokens and earn those in the terms of staking as well. So you can see you have multiple day options, and these are just locked pair tokens that you can select. Then you also have copy trading, as I said, where you can copy crypto traders, and you can simply go into copy trading. And let's say I want to do futures trading, and I will take a look at the top traders, and I can simply click on copy over here, and I can choose how much I want to leverage. Let's say I want to leverage below 7%, and I want to leverage around 5.5, and this is the fixed trading I want. Then you're going to agree to the terms of service, and then you can copy their trades as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.